Hey guys, welcome back to another banger video, and today we're going to be doing more stuff with the car. I also have this new wide-angle lens on here. As you can see, it is also a macro lens. I got the microphone on here, the external mic, and I also have this Ulanzi tripod, so I can go up, down, and face it farther away. So hopefully the angle is a lot wider. It's an 18mm lens instead of a 28. I believe it's 2.8, 28, I don't know. But hopefully you guys do like this better, and the audio quality is a lot better because I have a microphone on it now, obviously. And currently it is 2:16. So we're going to be going to do stuff with the car in a minute. But hopefully you guys do like this new setup. It is a whole lot better in my opinion. I do like this wide angle lens. It also turns into a macro lens if I wanted to get super close-up shots, so that is huge in my part. So that's great. I got no words for it. Just blown out of the water for this whole thing. And it is pretty heavy. It does kind of make this a top-heavy camera now because of the lens on it, but in my opinion it is totally worth it because the angle is so much wider. As you guys can see, it is just mind-blowing how much this changed it. This was one of the drawbacks I found out about this camera that I didn't really like, but now it seems to be perfectly fixed and it's great. You see a lot more. It is a little heavier though, I'm noticing that, but we'll get through that. And I got the GoPro mounts for this camera so I can hang this instead of the GoPro in the window. We're gonna have to try those out, and that's all I got for this. So hopefully the quality is a lot better and the audio and everything's better. We'll see you guys in the next clip. I also got a clip last night of doing a major burnout, and I got my GoPro on the car, so you guys will see that sometime in this video. Let's get into it. So the Mustang's going to be getting put away for the winter in a little bit, so I got to start pumping out content. But don't you guys worry, we're still going to have those bangers. We're going to be doing some drifting videos in the snow once all that comes. You know how it goes. Got two vehicles, well, one to do that with. See how a SUV does donuts with traction control off, because it's got traction control. See how that goes. Be pretty fun. Winter's always fun. Last time I tried to do something crazy, I accidentally hit a curb. That was great, by the way, if you didn't know that already. Hit a curb, had a great time. Someone was backing out their driveway too, so I had to get the fuck out of there. So late August, like August 24th I believe it was, I bought a Mac computer, and I don't know what is with my luck, but every computer I buy seems to have problems with the keyboard. Like my Mac, the keyboard, just some of the keys don't work. And on my Windows PC, the reason I bought the Mac is because out of nowhere keys just start getting pushed somehow because, well, they're broken. It just starts typing away like a whole bunch of random commas. I just tried to use it because I remembered I had Photoshop on that PC. Tried to use Sony Vegas a little bit, if you guys know what that is. If you don't, I haven't been using that. I've been using something else, Final Cut or Adobe. I tried to use it and I just had the worst luck ever. Don't want a computer anymore, a Windows PC, unless it's new. That was just driving me absolutely insane to the point where I wanted to scream. Yeah, so we're going to be getting the car out here in a little bit, do a cold start, you know what I'm saying, boys, and yeah, we'll get on the road in a minute. So we're on the way to KFC to get some food to eat, so when we go home, we're not starving anymore. Go pick that up real quick. There's a little drive. Yeah. Hopefully you guys like this setup, because I don't even know if you guys can see me right now, but you guys can definitely see the road. So I kind of got a little sidetracked for today, and yeah, so we're gonna have to go get that car washed tomorrow and stuff. I just had to pick up new bulbs for this, and then found out the bulbs, I didn't really need them because it fell out. So yeah. So guys, now the car is even having more problems. The headlights are flickering on and off, so I'm driving something else, as you can hear. Got a Turbski on it. Let's get it. Driving up here through some nice road work. Amazing. Lots of fun here. So now we are officially on our way to KFC to pick up some food. Another nighttime POV. Not really, but just another day. Getting sidetracked. Now I'm trying to go KFC for like the 5th time. hopefully we'll actually get there now. Gotta see if anyone else wants anything. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we secure the bag at KFC. Boy just secured the bag on the KFC. Let's get it now. Let's get it home because that was a struggle. They can't hear me through this drive-through in this truck. It's insane. Get a little action for you guys. See what's going on, man. They couldn't hear me through the drive-through in this thing. It was so loud. They had me shut it off. I mean, that's what happened the last time I was here too. So. And these people driving around with their high beams, you could literally see that through the camera on my face, dude. What the hell is wrong with these people? I need to turn that shit off. What the fuck's going on here? Turn my high beams on for a second. Woohoo! Yeah, that's what you get, bro. I accidentally turned my high beams on because you always flashing me with them dumbass shits, man. What the hell's wrong with you? So we're currently on the way back. Just secured the bag as always. We'll be securing the bag out here. We're speeding, doing all fun stuff. No, I'm kidding. What the fuck? That guy's really speeding in his Honda Civic. I don't know. I guess people don't follow the rules of how to drive late at night too. So I'm not. I'm going 15. I'm going not 15 over, and they're still passing me. You don't do the speed limit around here, people? What the hell's wrong with you? These people, man. Fucked up. Got me looking like I'm slow or something out here. Literally going over the speed limit and you're fucking passing me? What's wrong with you people? So I was really surprised. The food was only like $20-something. And I ordered 3 meals and that I thought it was gonna be more like 30, 40 something because, you know, went to Chick-fil-A the other day, yesterday, and the shit was like $10 a meal. And then my friend got a chicken sandwich and it was like 13 bucks without the drink or anything, so that was nuts. Back to the road work over yonder. About to eat this. Got me some chicken tenders. Everyone else got some nice 3-piece original dark meat or whatever that is. I don't know. You're gonna roast me in the comments for that. I already know that, but yeah, we're on the way back here. We're 5 minutes away now. Still going way over the speed limit when I probably should go in the speed limit. You heard nothing. About to enjoy this. About to have an 8 all day. So this is about to be a great experience for me. Y'all ever went to a restaurant, ordered some like chicken, bro, and they didn't have like, if you like barbecue sauce like I do, you ever go there and they don't have barbecue sauce? They got ketchup? What is that? You serve chicken and don't have barbecue sauce. Like, are you nuts, bro? But yeah, anyways, enough of my ranting. That's the turn I usually take. What am I doing here? Holy crap, the bumps are insane. Oh, look at that. You see this Honda Civic right here that passed us? Now look, we're right behind him again. He got nowhere. Hopefully you guys do like this wide angle lens, because this is sure looking a whole lot better out here. Because we out here, man, with the vlogs. Even got light in this vehicle. That's great. These tints are crazy. I hope these vlogs are coming out a lot better, because I've been trying to do more stuff and like put more content together and do it over a period of days instead of me just trying to do it all in one day and crush out like a 5-10 minute video. So hopefully you guys do like these more. It takes me a little bit more time. What the fuck are you doing? You that hurry to turn? Holy fuck. You're trying to kill me out here. Catch you guys when we get back to the house. No cap. What's going on, guys? We are back in the Mustang. I just picked up some shit from the store. Just had to get some more keys made, so I have an extra set of keys and everything. Now we are currently on the way back to the house. About to hit this side street up real quick. Oh shit, just passed it. Never mind. I thought. I'm probably gonna get home before this weather absolutely grenades everything. Gonna go to the parts store, pick up some car wash shit real quick. Listen to that shit, guys. That shit sounds amazing. Let's go, boys. So we're about 5 minutes away from the auto parts store to pick up the car wash soap. That's what I need to go get so I can go wash this thing tomorrow, because I haven't washed this thing in like 3 days. Most people are like, that's not even a long time. I haven't washed my vehicle ever, but yeah, you know me, I be washing that shit every day. But it seems to be every time I do it, I don't record it. So this time we're actually going to try to record it. let's get it, boys. Holy fuck, these people really need to learn how to park their vehicles on the side of the street, bro. They're like halfway into the street and you have a perfectly normal street you can park on and not have any problems. For a second there, I thought I was getting followed by a cop, but I turn down this side street and of course they follow me because, you know, that's what they do out here. Just playing. Nothing traffic real quick. Yeah, totally. There is no traffic. Oh, hang on, let me get this one-handed for you guys. Yeah, still vlogging out here. The vlog never stops. Let's go. I don't even know. Hopefully you guys can see me. If not, this is really disappointing. I'm totally making this drive to the auto parts store a lot longer. Yeah. Because why not? When you could just drive forever. Have more fun. Have all the fun in the world, son. Doesn't matter what you're doing. Well, that depends on what you're doing, though. As you know, can't be doing no dumb shit. Check this shit out. Look at those headlights. On, off, on, off. It seems to be only certain. It only is certain roads that it does this to me. It's like, what the fuck are you doing, dude? You just hate me? What is that? It's only when I get back to the house, too, that it stops. Like, every time I pull in my driveway, it stops. It doesn't do it anymore. I do not understand. As you can see, now it seems to be wanting to work fine, and I don't understand this whole situation. So let's see if we make it to the auto parts store without these turning on and off again. So I need to go back exactly where I just came from the parts store to get keys. Well, it was like values. I didn't really make it to the parts store by Advanced Autos, so I need to get these out right here to get to this. So I can get to the wires to the headlights and figure out what's shorting it. There was a major problem over there with the electrical. You start the car and the headlights, when you turn them on, it would just basically kill the car. And you had to like turn them on when you started going, so it was weird. See if we can make it to value. Let's get you guys a warm start real quick. I'll find my key. Here we go. This one. Warm start. Maybe not the warm start. Okay, let's get the fuck out of here and see if these work now. Get to the parts store, hopefully we make it there and back without this happening again. Okay guys, so it's just one thing after fucking other. So let's finally start getting to work on this. Take this off. Now, there's one more. And now we gotta use a screw. Here. Regular bits. Right here. Get me a screwdriver. The world's tiniest screwdriver? Did I ask for that? I don't think I did. Like the world's tiniest screwdriver. Unscrew that. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. One. this one's just gonna be a pain. Come on. Screw, 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 screw. Problem after problem. You wanna get your grill out? It's the biggest pain ever. There we go. Clip won't stay in the right spot. What the fuck? And once it does get in the right spot, this side drops out, this side drops out. And by the time you get it onto the right spot, you know what happens? It doesn't line up anymore. Because one side fell the fuck off. Better stay, or I'm gonna have some problems. Now let me get the screw that was on this side, try to tighten this side down. Get it in there with my hand first. Tighten this down. Watch my luck, it won't even tighten. So I managed to put half this bumper in, or I don't know how long because I'm not editing this yet, without my camera on because the battery fell out. Wow. Can it get any better? I'm gonna put this screw, this goes up here. I'm gonna lose it. Something tells me this goes down here. Okay, so finally got the grill back in, as you can see, right there. Got the grill back in. The logo right there. Screw, 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 screw. Something tells me that it's not the way it was before, but we're just gonna go with it like it was. So I also bought a little mod too. It's right here, some cup holders. So what you do with this is never mind, we beat the system, boys. We got cup holders now. Woohoo! Secure. Money right there. Just takes up a little bit of the passenger's room. We don't care. So that's one mod. I'm also gonna take my car shirt right here. Gonna open it. Open this. Pull all the car soap in there. And we're good to go with the car soap. Set that right there. Use that tomorrow. Make it look nice and shiny. And now I'm just gotta clean up that, and that. Almost forgot. Interior detail spray. Let's get it. Okay, let's test this shit out. Right here. Okay, it's already on. Looks a whole lot cleaner, dude. Right here, Tartol wax, #1 setting. I see why. It's fire. See if we have the other one, or if it's a different floor mat. Nice and sparkling clean, my boy. Let's go. I think this is all we're gonna do today with the car. I haven't had a very eventful day. Everything's been going wrong for me recently. I don't know why. Something's in the works. I know it. When something keeps going wrong for you, something's gonna go right eventually. So let's get it. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till Until next time, peace out.